press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, hello students. Let us continue with the exercise 12.2. It's a very interesting problems today. So you will know how directly this chapter is actually applied in our daily life situations. Okay, by doing these problems, you definitely will understand how the application of this area related to the circle will apply for the daily life situations where we can come across this situation in our daily life. See, eighth one, a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second one, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. See, here you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. So, for this problem also you have to use the value pi is equal to 3.14. So, this is the problem where the horse, see, you have a square field, okay, you have a square field, grass field, and the side is 15 meter. So, what is the side? Measurement of the side is 15 meter. Okay. Now, and the horse is tied at this corner, at one of the corner they have given. So, we will take it is tied at this corner and it can graze. So, the length of the rope by means of 5 meter long rope. So, the rope is 5 meter long. So, this rope, this is 5 meter long rope. See, then we will take it as straight. So, 5 meter long rope means, see, you imagine horse is tied at this corner and the length of the rope which it is tied is 5 meter. So, it can graze only this much part, correct? See here 5 meter, so 5 meter like this. So, the exact measurement, it is a rough figure, okay. So, since this is 15, definitely it will be 5 meter means only this much it will be. So, here I am so that you will be unable to see, so I have drawn like this. See 5 meter, see if it is like this. So, 5 meter means the rope is tied here. So, it can go either like this or it can come like this. I hope you understood. So, if the diagram is not given, you better draw the diagram. Since in your textbook they have given the diagram, but if the diagram is not given, you should do it. So, first point, see the area will be created like this. Please see, note, this is very important. Second important thing is, this is square they are telling. So, square means definitely the angles will be 90 degree here. So, the angle of the square is 90 degree, you all know. So, you got the angle, sector angle. See, they are not mentioned, but when they have given it is a square field, you should be enable that to identify that it is a sector angle is 90 degree. So, two concepts should be very clear here. One is, since it is a square angle, square field, grass field, so we have 90 degree as a sector angle. See, sector is formed here. So, indirectly what they are asking, so the horse can graze this much area, correct? This much area where the it is a grass field. So, only it can go this much area. So, we need to find out the area of the sector. Okay. So, that is the first part of the problem. See, after solving this first part, then we will move on to the second one. Okay. So, how shall we start here? Area of sector, or you can write it as area of, see in the question only it is there, area of that part of the field, area of that part of the field area field in which horse can graze. In which horse can graze. Sorry, Z. Horse can graze is equal to area of sector. So you have shown in the diagram, so directly you can write area of sector, okay. Or if you mention here A, B, C, area of sector A, B, C also you can write. Okay, now you know the formula, and here what is the radius? R is equal to 5 meter. See, radius of the sector is R is equal to 5 meter, and sector angle is equal to 90 degree. This they have not given. See, again here also we can solve this problem in a two different method. One is by putting the formula directly, you all know to put the formula. Second one, see, this is just, can you recall it? What does this represent? See, it represents the quadrant of a circle. See, I had explained this in the previous class. It represents the quadrant of the circle. See this part. So here 90 degree. So it represents the quadrant of a circle. So you can do it in two different methods. One is by finding the area of the circle. See here they have not given the circle, but the radius they have given. Radius is how much? Rope is how much? 5 meters. So you, with that you can find out the area of the circle, then divide by 4. Okay. The other method is applying the formula. I am going to apply the formula. So you can find like this also by finding the area of the quadrant. Okay. Now area of sector is equal to, you all know the formula, into pi r square, and here also they have asked you to use 3.14 into, so 5 into 5. Okay, so I am going to rub this. I hope you understood the diagram. Okay, now let us find out. 0, 0 cancel, 9 ones are 56. Okay. Now here 5 5s are 25 into 3.14. So let us do it here. 25 into 3.14. Okay. 5 5s are 25 into 3.14. So 5 4s are 20, 2, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 25, 5 3s are 15, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7. So 0, 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So 78.50 divided by 4. Okay, this 4 is there here. 78.50 divided by 4. So here only you can divide. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 3, 4 6 are 20, 4 7 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 2 remainder, 4 6s are 24, 1, 4 2s are 8, 2, 4 5s are 20. Sorry, meter square. So you should keep in mind, see, since it is meter, so how much it can graze? The horse can graze 19.625 meter square. 19.625 meter square. Okay, this is the first part of the problem. Okay, now the second part of the problem, see, the increase in the grazing area, if the rope were 10 meter long, see now it was 5 meter. If suppose if it is increased for 10 meter means definitely it will graze this much, correct? Extra. So what is that extra area, increased area they are asking? Okay. So now we have this area. So I am going to write this here. Somewhere here I will write 19.625 meter square was the previous area when the radius was 5 meters. Okay. Now it is increased to 10 meter. So let us try to find out when it is increased to 10 meter. So area of the sector. Now you can change this to 10 meter. Area of the sector when the rope is, or when the radius is, also you can write when the radius is 10 meter. So when the radius is 10 meter, we shall find out. So 90 by 360 into 3.14 to 10 into 10. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36, and this of course 314 you will get divided by 4. So what is the answer? 7 fours are 28. So 4 sevens are 28, 29, 30, 31, 3, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, then 2 remainder, 4 fives are. So 78.5 centimeter square, correct. 78.5 centimeter square is the area of the sector when the radius is 10 meter. But read the question carefully. In the question what they have given, what is the increased area? So what you have to do, see the previous area it was here this much, think it is this much previous area, and now it is this area. So what is the increased area means this much. What is the increased area? So what you have to do? Therefore I will write here 78.5. So I will write here 78.5 meter square. Sorry, here meter square, it should be meter square, not centimeter square. Okay, meter square. Please note it is meter square since radius is meter. So meter square. Now then let us write the last statement. Increased area is equal to, increased area is equal to how much? First it was now it is 78.5 meter square, then previous it was 19.625. So let us find out this now, subtract. So I will write here 78.5 19.625. Okay, 5 7 4 8, then 7 I know 8, then 6 minus 5, just check, 10 1 10 1 15 1 10 18 1 7, correct. 58.875 58.875 meter square. See, meter square. See, increased area is 58.875, that is this part of the what part of the field, this only this part of the field increased. So this much, okay. I hope you understood this problem. See, this is how it can be applied in the daily life situation, okay. So final answer is 58.875 meter square, okay. Now next one, ninth one. See, I have drawn the figure for you, ninth one. So I am going to rub this. Ninth one. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divides the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the wire, silver wire required. Second one is the area of each sector of the brooch, okay. So again it's a very interesting problem. See, this is a brooch. Here in this brooch, here can you see 5 diameters? See 1, see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, these are 5 diameters. So remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this again here, this part diameter. So 5 diameters are there. Please note. Second point, it is divided into 10 sectors. See here, I will write the sectors here. This here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many sectors it is divided? Into 10 sectors. Okay, second point. Third point, they have asked you to find out the length of the silver wire needed to make the brooch, and also means there what they have given here. See here, the total length of the silver wire required. The brooch is made up of silver wire in the form of a circle with the diameter. The wire is also used for making the diameter, 5 diameters. So you should be very, very careful here. See, this 5 diameters, to make this 5 diameters also they have used the silver wire, and also to make this brooch, see here, this one, here the silver wire is required. So what is the total silver length of the silver wire required? See, it's very easy. One is total length of the silver wire required andre enartha, you have to, this is nothing but circumference of a circle plus they have told you that they are going to use to make this 5 diameters also. So you have to see the measurement of the diameter, that is 35 millimeter. Diameter is 35 millimeter. So 35 millimeter into 5. So definitely you will get the silver wire required for 5 diameters, correct? Plus this circumference. Is it clear? Try to understand the problem. See, the brooch is made of silver wire. Where they are used the silver wire? One is to make a brooch. See here, this one. outline of a brooch. So circumference. Then also they have used to make here also, they have put here also 5 diameters, itara. Okay, so there imagine, you can imagine a very beautiful brooch, correct? Okay. Now let us see how much wire is required to make that first. First we will finish off this. So for this, let us write what is given. What is given? Given diameter of a circle is 35 millimeter. Okay. So then what else we need? 5 diameter is there. Number of diameter is how much? 5. Okay. Number of diameter is 5. Okay. Now let us try to do this problem. Let us write total length of silver wire required is equal to 5 into, or you can write 5 diameters circumference plus 5 into diameter, correct? Did you understood? 5 into diameter, circumference into 5 into diameter. So let us find out the circumference first. Circumference of a circle. So better write circumference of a circle. Okay, for that we need radius. R is equal to 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay, R is 35 by 2 millimeter. So 2 pi r. So 2 into, so here they have they asked you to use 22 by 7. See here, if they have not mentioned, you can use 22 by 7. Here they have not mentioned, so you can use 22 by 7 into R. I am going to put 35 by 2. I hope you understood why I didn't take decimal here, because it will be easy for us to cancel. So wherever possible, you try to simplify your calculation. Okay. Now here 7 ones are, 7 5s are. See, if it is a decimal point, then here you have to multiply. Instead of that, I have kept 35 by 2 as it is. Okay, it will be easy for us to cancel. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. So 22 by 5, 22 into 2. Okay, now 22. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, 11. So this is what circumference. So millimeter. Circumference, it is in millimeter. So 110 millimeter. Then what else we need? We need diameter. 5 into diameter. So 5 into diameter will be equal to 5 into diameter is 35, you all know. So 5 5s are 25, 2 5 3s are 15, 16, 17 millimeter. Okay. Now therefore final answer here, therefore total length of silver wire, conclusion, I am writing the conclusion, silver wire required, how much it is? 110 plus 175. I hope you understood. 110 is the circumference of the circle and 5 times the diameter is 175. Okay. So 110. So this will be equal to 5, 8, 285. Total length it is, length. So 285 millimeter. So what is the final answer? 285 millimeter. Okay, final answer is 285 millimeter. Got it? So this is how the first part of the problem. It's easy. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next part of the problem. Next part. See here. Next part of the problem is the area of each sector of the broach. Area of each sector means, see here, this area, each sector, how much? They are asking you to find out the area of each sector. So for that what you need? One is, see again here also two methods, see. Okay. One is, you have to find out the sector angle. First I will show that sector angle, how to find out, somewhere you might need. The second method is, you can find out the area of the circle and divide by 10. Why you should divide by 10? See how many sectors are there here? 10 sectors are there, and I told you the area of the circle you find out and divide by 10. That is simple method, you can do it. Okay, that method also is allowed, you can do it. Now I am going to show you the other method where the sector angle means by using the formula. So area of each sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. You all know this. But we don't know theta. How to find out theta? How to find out the angle here? See, they are not given directly. So you need to find out. See, you all know it is divided into how many sectors? 10 sectors. Therefore, so complete angle or angle at the center, complete angle is 360. Okay, and sector is divided into 10 sectors. 10 sectors. Okay, number of sectors. How many? 10. Therefore, so to get theta, 360 divided by 10, that is equal to 36 degree. So each angle is how much? 36 degree. So each angle is 36 degree here. Each angle of the sector is 36 degree. Each angle of the sector is 36 degree. I hope you understood why I had divided this by 10. See, the complete angle, the central angle is 360, the whole angle is 360 here, and divide by 10 because it is divided into 10 parts. So 36 degree. Now easily you can put the formula. So area of each sector is equal to theta, how much? 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. I hope you understood why I took 35 by 2, 35 by 2, because it is r square. R is how much? 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay. Now, sorry, 36 ones are 10s are. Then 2 5s are 2 11s are. Okay. 5 ones are 5 7s are. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So finally we will get 11 into 35 divided by 4. 11 into 35 divided by 4. Correct? Please check once again. 11 into 35 divided by 4. Okay, now let us solve this. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. 583. So 385 divided by 4. 385 divided by 2 2s are 4. So how much? 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 20, 4 7 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 2, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, and 1 remainder point, 4 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 2 remainder, 4 5s are 20. So 96 point, so the answer will be 96.25 millimeter square. Why? Because you all know it is area of each sector. Therefore 96.25 millimeter square. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. It's very interesting, isn't it? So really we can enjoy this chapter, really to enjoy these problems, because it's very application level questions and very nice also. Once you understand the concept, it's very easy chapter also. Okay. Now let us try to solve one more problem, the last problem. Again another interesting problem it is. Another interesting problem. Hope you can imagine what I am trying to draw. It's an umbrella, beautiful umbrella, isn't it? Okay, now let us try to solve this. See here, an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. See here, we have 8 ribs here. See, in the previous problem, in the brooch, we had 10 what is that called, diameters, 10 divisions. But in this we have, see, assuming that it is when you just open it, the upper portion of this, there will be 8 sectors here. Okay, 8 sectors, and so the same method you can continue here also. So 8 sectors, 8 different sectors, and 4 ribs. I hope you understood this problem, because I think you were well versed with that brooch problem, so it will be easy for you to understand. So let us, what is given you write, given first, given radius how much, 45 centimeter, and it is divided into 8 ribs. So number of sectors how much, number of sectors how much, 8, number of sectors how much, 8, and each sector angle you can calculate here. So each sector angle, so now you all know why I am calculating each sector angle, understood? So you know it is 360 divided by how many? 8 parts. 360 divided by 8. Okay. So 8 4s are 32, 1, 8 4s are 32, 4, 8 5s are 40. So 45 degree. Sector angle is how much? 45 degree. Once you know the radius, you know the sector angle, then definitely it is easy to find out the area of the sector. So let us do it, area of the sector. So area of each sector of an umbrella theta by 360 pi r square. Area of each sector of an umbrella is theta by 360. So theta is how much? 45 by 360 into pi, 22 by 7 into 45 into 45. Okay. Now, so let us try to solve this. 9 5s are 9 4s are 36, 5 1s are 5 8s are. So here 2 1s are 2 4s are. So here you will get 11 into 45 into 45 divided by 7 4s are 28. Okay. Now 45 into 45, let us see 45 into 45. So let us find out 45 into 45. I hope you understood this. Theta by 45 is the sector angle, each sector angle divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r, 45 into 45. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. 2, 10, 1, 2. Okay, into 11. See, because into 11 is there, I am multiplying. So here 2 0 2 5 and again 5 2 0 2. So total 5 7 2 2 2. So the numerator we got 22275 divided by 28. Okay. So now we shall see how to divide this. 22275. 28. So here 2 digits we can't take, we shall take 3 digits. So 3 digits is 7s are. Okay, so 8 7s are 56, 5, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 6 and here 11, 2, so 26, correct? So 26 and I am going to take 7, then again 265. 265 again we can put it as 9s are 8 9s, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 7, 9 2s are 18, so 25. Okay, so here 5, 15 and here 5, we will take it down. So 28 into 5, 5s are 8 5s are 40, 4, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 140, so 15. So you can put point 0. Then again 140, 5s are. So 795.5. You can stop here only. So I will write here 795.5. So it is centimeter. Okay, it is centimeter square in the question. They have given centimeter. So you have to write centimeter square. So since it is area 795.5, you can stop for the 1 decimal point here, centimeter square. Okay. So now I got the area of each sector of an umbrella, means the area of this part. Okay. So when it is opened, so it is assumed it like this circle. Okay. So, area of each sector is how much? 795.5 centimeter square. Okay, practice well and let us continue in the next class. Thank you.